On our way to the Sawdust Festival today in Laguna Beach. Andy Warhol. Mm-hmm. I used to love to do caricatures. Still have a few chairs to make caricatures.
Looked her eyebrows on the way, shade the lazy said, she said, hey, Dwayne, take a walk on the wild side. Said, hey, honey, take a walk on the wild side.
With an actual color. Kurzuzочного ебань.
All right. You can run, till my friend Bo Willie Brown. You can run, tell my friend Bo Willie Brown. Oh, as I'm standing at this crossroad, I believe I'm sinking down. It's funny that a lot of the music that we really like is of late 20s to the late 30s, acoustic guitar music from, troubadours, basically just street musicians, who America suddenly fell in love with. They'll love that stuff. So I'm going to do you one of them songs. You better come on, in my kitchen. It's going to be raining outside. Come on. My woman I love took my best friend. Some joker get lucky, steal her back again. And you better come on, in my kitchen. It's going to be raining outdoors. That was for Johnny. Because he loves that stuff. He has the guitar to prove it.
We love it too.
That was fun. trouble just to follow me all of my days. Have mercy. Lord, have mercy on me. Thank you very much. One of the greatest guitar players ever lived, a man called Lonnie Johnson. And I had his records when I was a kid. The stuff that he did with Louis Armstrong, Bessie Smith, and these type of people, and with the great Eddie Lang, who also was a guitar player, played for Bing Crosby, Tommy Dorsey, and so on. The two of them made these memorable duets. Anyway, nobody sounded like Lonnie, and I wanted to sound like that, so I learned as much of his music as I could. So this song is called "The Blues About the Deep Blue Sea." Make sure this thing is tuned, because with Lonnie's music, you got to get it right in tune. Yeah. There we go. I recommend that you get as many Lonnie Johnson records as possible.
He's talking to me.
All right. Sound like this. Oh, as I followed my woman from the station to the train, yes, and I followed my woman from the station to the train, and then the blues came down like midnight showers of rain. Thank you. From the great Lonnie Johnson. It is the silliest song on the planet. So, sound like this. Train wreck and a twisted too. I had to find a newsman to tell my story to. He said, your mouth's too big. Hate to tell you, but your mouth's too big and I can't listen to you, brother, cause your mouth's too big. 6 men wanted down at the yard, give me a job, I'll work real hard. He said, your mouth's too big. Sure could use you, but your mouth's too big and you can't work here, brother, cause your mouth's too big. Becky. All dressed in red, she can drink, she can dance, she can fall into bed. She said, your mouth's too big. You're kind of cute, but your mouth's too big, and I can't even kiss you, only because your mouth's too big. Think I'll play one. Nice to see all you lovely people here. It makes my day a lot better when I have wonderful people to play to. Really, it does.
That's us, yeah.
Yeah. Give yourselves a round. You would deserve a round of applause. Yes. Audiences are so seldom recognized for their contribution. But believe me, most of the good music in this world is made in front of a good audience.
Yeah.
That's really true. I can vouch for it. You know, you ever watch Keith Richards stop between a song and he just kind of does this? He's just laying back in a blanket and you are holding the blanket, right? And they're just, and there's Keith. That's his life, right?
Yeah.
And he just enjoys those moments, you know. If one guy enjoys the moment, it's Keith, you know.
I don't know if it's the audience, though, that he's enjoying.
Oh, it is. No, he said it and said it. he says, you don't have to. He says, it just basically the audience does the gig, you know, as far as he's concerned. He just shows up and smiles, and it just happens. His autobiography is fantastic. If you didn't read it, it's called Life, and it's a great read. It really is. It sounds exactly like Keith talking. And what could be better than that, except Johnny Depp? You know, so.
Johnny Depp.
Actually, I think Johnny Depp even reads the audiobook.
Oh,
Yes, how about that? Okay, so
life. Keith Richards' life. Alrighty. Life.
I got a song for you. Every morning, every evening,
That's Hippo.
every day,
Hippo.
I think of
You don't know.
the way you love me, oh, through and through.
Oh, I love this one.
And when I'm with you, feels like heaven. You're an angel holding me. Your sweet, sweet loving, it sets me free. Thank you. I've had a wonderful time today. I'm going on almost no sleep. I'm just out of my mind. But I really don't mind. Got my lemonade, got my guitar, got my lovely audience. You know, Sam Phillips is famous for discovering Elvis Presley, Carl Perkins, Jerry Lee Lewis, Johnny Cash, Ike Turner, B.B. King. But of all the people that he ever put under contract to his little one-horse studio in Memphis, you know, it's about the size of a hat box. The one that he loved the best was Howlin' Wolf. And when he had to sell Howlin' Wolf to Leonard Chess, so Howlin' Wolf could go up to Chicago, which is where it was by that time for blues, you know. He went, yeah, okay. But if he could have kept Howlin' Wolf, that was the one guy, not Elvis, not the other. If he could have kept the Wolf, he would have done that. Isn't that nice? I love that. All right, so I want to see if we can sketch why that might be in the next 3 minutes. Get up in the morning, hit Highway 49. Gonna get up soon in the morning, hit Highway 49. I've been looking for my baby, Malvina down on my mind. First I'm gonna stop at the whiskey store, buy me a jug of wine. Let's stop at the whiskey store and buy me a jug of wine. Gonna hit the highway they call Highway 49. have mercy. I wanna get up in the morning, people, hit Highway 49. All in the morning, and they hit Highway 49. I've been looking for my baby, now burning down on my mind. All right. Thank you very much.
So you don't put one of those. You should take a picture of that. That's awesome. Succulents, just not this long and skinny, because you can't keep them dry unless you hang this in the. So
That's when you'll get all the deals.
rocks with a little soil miracle for feeding, some pretty moss on top, and mine's blooming like this. Pretty little flowers. That chair was so comfortable. Into the oven. Well, it was a beautiful day here at the Sawdust Festival in Laguna. And now we're headed for some dinner. And the trolley's here to pick us up, take us to our car.